Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video let us see how to draw a pie chart in Power BI. Okay, pie chart is one of the important chart. Now let's see how to do that. Okay, please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the video. Okay, thank you. Now without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So in order to draw a pie chart, you should have to have some data. Okay, in order to get the data, you should have to click on this get data. Okay, and we have so many subtypes of sources in order to get the data. Okay, like the data source could be Excel, Power BI, data flows, etc. If you click on this more, you will be able to see so many types of data sources. Okay, these are the different types of data sources. As of now, I'm just taking it from the Excel. Okay, I'm just choosing Excel. Now it will be redirected to the desktop, okay, where it was stored. So I'm just taking it from here, sample superstore. If you want the data, I will just provide this data in the comment section. Okay, just let me know if you want this data, or else you can also directly copy it from Google and type as a sample superstore data Power BI. You will get this workbook. Okay, I'm just clicking on this open button. It will take few minutes to download, to update, to upload. Okay, I'm just choosing orders. If you want to do any data manipulation like changing any formatting and all those things, you can just click on this transform and then you can just go ahead. As of now, I'm not doing anything. Now I'm just clicking on this load option. Okay, now the data is getting here loaded. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this pie chart. Okay, you have to choose from the visualization part. Okay, now I'm just taking it as I wanted to draw a pie chart for sales. Okay, city wise sales. Okay, region wise sales. Okay, I'm just selecting sales and the region. Okay, now we have got all the regions. Okay, I'm just clicking on this focus mode. It will show in bigger way. Okay, so I'm just doing some formatting here. In order to do some format, you should have to click on this format your visual. Okay, and then click on this general option, then the title, let me put it as normal heading, sales by region. Okay, let me change the color also. Okay, let me put this color. This color. Okay, and we click on the colors here. So we can just, we have made some changes, right, that you can see it here. So let me put the sum of sales by region in the middle. Okay, we have to go to the title and just click on this one. So now you can see sum of sales by regions came up in the middle. Okay, so let me put it in the white background. Let me click on this. You have to just go here, background as white. Okay, so that it will be visible. Now let's increase the fonting. Sum of sales by region. Okay, this is how you have to do the formatting, and this is the simple pie chart. Okay, and by just clicking on each of them, you will be able to see what are the sales. Okay, so blue is west is getting high number of sales, right? West region you are getting. So this is how you will be able to create a pie chart, okay, in Power BI. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of the videos, okay. I hope yeah, please comment in the below section if you want any other doubts, okay, if you need any doubts, okay, any doubts, just ping us and let us know. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.